Hey, it's Vicki with Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois, and today I want to give you a look at this 2010 Winnebago Access 31N. We'll go ahead and come right up here to the front. I don't know if you can hear it, but it is running. I drove it over here. It drives great. Very smooth, very smooth ride. You've got a large awning on the front here. Tons of exterior storage compartments, and this motorhome does have 2 slides, which I'll show you inside. So right up here in the front, you do have a bed over your captain's chairs. This bed will fold up so that it leaves a little more headroom here at the captain's chairs. Great stereo system. It's got 25,500 miles. This is one of your slides, your main living slide. You've got tons of storage on this slide. Dinette, this will fold down into a bed. And along with the dinette table, it does have cup holders. Also on your dinette slide is your refrigerator. Of course, it's got a freezer. Opposite your dinette slide, you do have a jackknife sofa here. So this will fold down into a bed. You've got some cabinetry up above as well. Before you get to the back of the unit, you do have your kitchen area. So there is a 3-burner Magic Chef stovetop and oven. High point microwave. Plenty of cabinets in here. Got a nice little pantry over here. A double basin sink here. Nice large windows, lets tons of light in. Here's your bathroom. Of course, you got your vanity and your medicine cabinet. Large corner shower. It does have a skylight overhead, which offers a little more headroom. And of course, your toilet. Now there are 2 entries to the bathroom, one here from the hallway and one here from the bedroom. Right inside the bedroom, you have a place to set maybe a TV or something. And then further on down, you've got a nice large closet. This is an extremely deep closet. And of course, you got the mirrors on the outside and plenty of drawer space. Opposite that is your second slide, which is your bed slide. You've got some storage up top. And of course your bed. If you'd like to see this motorhome in person, come check it out at Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois.